Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about my monthly budget, my journey to becoming debt-free, cash stuffing videos, and also budget meals. So if that sounds like something you guys will be interested in, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be closing out September's budget. I know I'm late, but hey, better late than never. So let's take a recap of what happened all in September. All right, so paycheck 1 was $16.79, paycheck 2 $16.70, paycheck 3 $16.70. I had a rollover of $137. I didn't resell anything. YouTube I made $103 from, and I had a surprise. My family came down for my birthday, and from them coming down, from them giving me gifts, they gave me $390. So let's actually add all of that up together. All right, so for the month of September, I had a income of $5,649. We're gonna take that $5,649 and put it towards my bills. So for my bills, I paid $600 for my portion of the rent. Electric was $172. You know what? My daughter actually paid that. I didn't pay that. All right, but I need to put a story about that so I can remind myself that I didn't actually pay it, but it was $172. ID Protect, I paid $4. Insurance, car insurance, $150. The internet was $97. Credit monitoring was $12. Car wash was $32. Spanish $100, and epidemic sound was $40. So let's go ahead and add all of those up together. All right, so all of that together equal $1,035. Let me zoom out so you guys can see where I'm writing. Again, that totaled $1,035. We're going to take that $1,035 and subtract it from the $56.49. That gives us a leftover, leftover of $4,614. We're going to take that $4,614 and put it towards my debt. So for Novon, I paid it off. I paid $45. Atrium, I paid off $25. AMR, I paid $56. Piedmont, $50. Capital One, I paid $600. I should have paid more, but it is what it is. Synchrony, I paid $102. XS1, I paid $250. Gap, $255. UMC, I paid $100. So let's add all of those up together. All right, so that totaled $1,482. Exactly what it said. All right, so let's subtract that $1,482 from the $4,614. All right, so that's going to give us a leftover of $3,132. We're going to take that $3,132 and put it towards my bank sinking funds. All right, so I did put $200 in gifts. Kids got $50, travel got $225, and emergency got $300. So let's add all of those up together. That totaled $7,775. I'm going to take that $70.75 and subtract it from $31.32. Gives us a leftover of $2,357. Now, remember, if you guys are just now joining, or just now seeing what my budget was going to be for the month of September. September, we got 3 paychecks, so I wanted to have a bigger leftover for October, simply because our rent is due by the 1st, and we got paid on the 29th. So I included October's portion of the rent in September, if that makes sense. But anyways, we're going to take that $2,357 and put it towards my envelopes. So the envelopes, I think it was exactly what everything said. Yes, so the envelopes, just my regular envelopes, $495. So I'm going to take that, $23.57 minus $495 with a leftover of $1,862. Now I'm going to take that $1,862 and put it towards my sinking fund envelopes. Sinking fund envelopes total $405, and I'm going to subtract that from $1,862. that gives us a leftover of $1,457. Now, that is, oops, sorry you guys, didn't realize you couldn't see it, sorry. But that is a really big leftover. I normally would not have that big of a leftover, but I wasn't expecting anything from YouTube, number one. I also was not expecting my family to surprise me and gift me money. And I knew I was going to have a rollover. I thought it was just going to be about this small amount, but other things happened, which is so awesome. So I'm very thankful for that. But that sums up September's budget. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.